Wonder what's up here, end of the pier. Let's go see some activities here. What's that white stupa there? The white stupa.
I have no idea.
Look, there's more street food on the Rajini Pier. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so this is a street food festival, Klong Talat. So that's what it is. Stumble into another market. There's an old market up there. Inside the market looks pretty old.
They closed at 5.
This market's closed 5 o'clock, so no wonder all the stores are
Oh, perfect.
closed. But this market looks pretty old though. Looks like a wholesale volumes here, distribute to retail. See all these big bundles of things. Yeah, these are wholesale. I believe across the street is the flower market. We're in Rajini Pier. Sunset. We've been here all day. So, time to head back soon before it rains. Look how majestic the Waterloon is. Sunset. Oh, full moon too.
Yeah. Well, actually, tomorrow night. One more night.
Tomorrow night's full moon.